Good morning, students. Welcome back to ninth class English. The name of the prose is The Swimmer Who Doesn't Need Her Legs. Here is, here is an interesting story about a physically handicapped girl. Physically handicapped girls or physically handicapped people are thought to be a curse to the society. They are considered to be useless and are considered to be no use to the welfare of the society. But actually, it is not so. They sometimes they are so helpful to our society, so much so that they leave everybody speechless, surprised. So here is a story, very interesting story about a physically handicapped girl. So now let's move the story. Yes, the name of the story is The Swimmer Who Does Not Need Her Legs. We meet we meet several people, a lot of people on our way to school or on our return from place of work. Every day, wherever you go, you will come across a lot of people. Several people, vendors, hawkers, and handicapped people. We meet. Generally, we meet these types of people, vendors, hawkers, and handicapped people. Do you anytime think about them? Have you do you anytime think about तमे तांका विषय केवे चिंता करो कि? No. Actually, you don't think about them. Just we see and forget. That's all. Think about a child who is struck by polio. Here is a child, and perhaps he or she is struck by polio. Polio को धक्का ही suffering from polio, and discuss the following points in pairs. Okay. Yes. Question: does he or she swim across a pond or a river? Here is a question. Does he or she swim across a pond or a river? I mean, who? A. Polio struck. Will it be easy or difficult for him or her? Or swimming will be easy or difficult for him or her? Will it be impossible for him or her? Read the lesson and see how a young girl of 19, here is a girl of 19, her age is just 19, who was struck by polio. That girl was struck by polio and was able to swim the English Channel. He crippled legs, her crippled legs, that means tara godo, pangu. Crippled legs did not stand in her way. Generally, while swimming, we use our legs to to change our direction and to balance our body. But here, a crippled legged girl could do swimming the English Channel. It is unbelievable to hear, but fact. Would you understand? You cannot believe it. You cannot believe that a physically handicapped, especially crippled legged girl could swim the long English Channel. And that the girl's crippled legs did not come in her way. तापाई प्रतिबंधक ही नथिला टू बिकम ए talented sea swimmer. She became without leg with a crippled leg. That girl became a talented sea swimmer. गोटे समुद्रर पहराड़ी हो पारतिला दक्ष पहराड़ी हो पारतिला. So here the text, imagine means kalpana, think. Think swimming across a pool with your feet dragging you down. Generally pool, that is not a pool, this is a pool. When you are swimming in a pool, in a pond, you must have experience that your legs are dragging you down. गोड़ा तुमको टाणुथुव. Dragging means टाणिबा, down, तळु टाणुथु. Now imagine having the courage to swim across the English Channel. To swim in English Channel one needs very much so much courage, otherwise one cannot swim. So in a similar fashion, unbelievable, अविश्वसनीय, isn't it? अविश्वास ना. In spite of, यह सत्य, in spite of means सत्वे, having legs made useless by polio, C.N. Janaki has become the first handicapped person to be part of a successful team crossing the channel. In spite of having legs made useless, in spite of her useless legs, C.N. Janaki has become the first handicapped person to be part of a successful team crossing the channel. Yes. This is the success story of C.N. Janaki, who was polio struck and having a useless legs. It was in 1987, the year was 1987, that Janaki was struck by polio. It was her bad luck. Polio attacked him and made her legs useless. As a child, she got the idea of trying to swim in the English Channel. पिलाई साबरे स्वप्न देखुला इंग्लिश चैनल रे संतरण करवा स्वप्न देखुला. Who got the idea? C.N. Janaki got the idea. So she conveyed this to the English Channel Swimming Association. Conveyed means janela. Who conveyed? Janaki. What? His idea, her idea of swimming in English Channel. Conveyed this to the English Channel Swimming Association संघ को जणेला for details, and they replied that semane prati uttar dele two conditions. They set two conditions. First, have to be met before a swimmer is allowed to make an attempt. प्रचेष्टा इंग्लिश चैनल रे पहरिया पई प्रचेष्टा करिवा पूर्वरु जणे दुईटी शर्त पूर्ण करिवा को पड़िबो. When Janaki conveyed her wish to swim in English Channel, he received a reply that in order to get permission to swim in English Channel, one has to fulfill two conditions. So let's know what are the two conditions, or what were the two conditions. First condition, the swimmer should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water. प्रथम कंडीशन है जे स्विमर संतरणकारी पहराड़ी 10 पानी भितर 10 घंटा काल समय बिताई पारिया पड़े. Spend at least 10 hours, minimum 10 hours in water. This is the first condition. Now let's see the second condition. What is the second condition? Yes, the swimmer should be able to do marathon swimming. That means दीर्घ दूरत्व प्रतियोगिता दीर्घ दूरता पर्यंत सी पहरी पार। दैट इज he or she should be able to swim in the high seas for long hours at a stretch। थर के बहुत दीर्घ समय पर्यंत समुद्र भितर पहरी पारिबा को पड़िबो। So these were the two conditions set before C.N. Janaki. Let's know whether she was able to fulfill it or not. Janaki began training, started training. Janaki आरंभ कर दिला, तालीम आरंभ कर दिला very hard in Bangalore. To fulfill these conditions, एक शर्त गुरा पूर्ण करिया पर भाई she started working. She began training. After almost 4 years of training, पाखापाखि 4 वर्षर तालीम परे, आफ्टर पर ऑलमोस्ट पाखापाखि 4 years of training, 4 वर्ष तालीम परे, she said I was able to spend 10 hours at a stretch थर के 10 घंटा in a swimming pool। स्विमिंग पूल रे 10 घंटा समय थर के 10 घंटा समय बीते पार मोर सक्षमता अर्जन करि पारिछि। हु C.N. Janaki, NIS coach Mr. Gopal gave me a certificate, ताको गोटे प्रमाण पत्र देइछन्दी, saying that he had seen me swim for 10 hours continuously। NIS coach Mr. Gopal ताको गोटे प्रमाण पत्र देइछन्दी जे ये बंदरे 10 घंटा काल पहरी पारुथिबार देखिचंती बोली से गोटे प्रमाण पत्र देइछन्ती। हु गेव ए सर्टिफिकेट? मिस्टर गोपाल। हु वाज मिस्टर गोपाल? NIS coach, right? Then with the help of Thimai National Academy of Adventure, she went to the coastal town of Malpe, coastal town of Malpe, उपसागरीय अंचल मालपे गले and began training in the Arabian Sea and started training. She spent 3 weeks there with a coach called Dinesh Suvarna. Who spent? C.N. Janaki. With whom? Coach, his name was Dinesh Suvarna. For how long? 3 weeks. For 3 weeks. She learned to spend long hours in the sea by swimming a minimum of 20 kilometers a day. Yes, she learned to spend long hours in the sea by swimming a minimum 20 kilometers every day. She swam long 20 kilometers in the sea. Janaki then returned to Bangalore फेरी आसले and send her a certificate से प्रमाण पत्र गुड़ाक पठेले send you know पठेले her certificates to the Chennai Swimming Association in England. Sorry, send her a certificate to the Chennai Swimming Association in England. When they gave her the permission to make the attempt, जेतले ताको प्रचेष्टा करिया को अनुमति देले, permission means you know अनुमति, attempt प्रचेष्टा, she had to start collecting funds for the trip. से जो ग्रस्त पाई से फंड कलेक्शन कला, पैसा आदाय कला, जमा ठोड़ कला. The government का मागिला, the government a few private agencies सरकार किसी कलेक्शन कला, घरोई एजेंसी मानोडू कला एंड सेवरल फ्रेंड्स अन्य सांग मानोडू ही collected money from them friends and contribute several friends contributed the monies he needed for the attempt and her friends contributed gave her some money for the mission. Janaki and her parents left for England in the middle of 1992. Yes, they collected money, that means a fund, and started a journey in the middle of 1992. When she reached Dover and began practicing in the English Channel, when he reached Dover, she started practicing in the English Channel. The Channel Swimming Association officially were quite shocked. They were surprised. What a wonderful thing we are seeing. A girl having useless leg could swim like this. It's really wonderful. They were shocked. They were surprised. First they could not believe their eyes. Really. This was unbelievable for him. This was the first time in their experience. Tankar anubhuti abhigyata vitare eta hochi first time. Pratham thara that a physically handicapped person was trying chesta karuchi to swim in the English Channel. It's not a joke. It's not a fun. Maja kotha nuha. Right? They were surprised. They were astonished. First they were spellbound. They could not believe their eyes. Okay? Today we discussed some of the paragraphs of 9th class English prose. The prose, it's a story. The swimmer who does not need her legs. In our next class, we will discuss the other paragraphs. Till then, bye. Thank you.